Let's solve one previous question of binary tree. This question was asked in GATE DA 2024, question number 42. Let H, I, L and N represent height, number of internal node, number of leaf nodes and the total number of nodes respectively in a rooted binary tree. Which of the following statements is or are always true? And in 4 options, 4 statements are given. It is asking which one is true. I will explain this question with a rooted binary tree example. Let me construct a rooted binary tree. Here height is 3. This is height 0, 1, 2, 3. So height equals to 3 and number of internal node equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. L equals to number of leaf 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 leaves. And n equals to 11. Total number of nodes equals to 11. Now let's check each option. Option A, L less than equals to I plus 1. Here what is L? L is 6 and I equals to 5. So 5 plus 1, it is 6. So 6 equals to 6. For this example, it is true. Even you will take any example, this will be true. So next option B, H plus 1, H is 3, so 3 plus 1, it's 4, N is 11, 2 power H plus 1. So 2 power 3 plus 1, it's 4, 2 power 4 minus 1. 2 power 4 is 4, 16, 16 minus 1 is 15. So 4 is less than equals to 11, 11 is less than 15. So this satisfies, hence option B is also true. Here 15 means total number of node possible if we'll construct a complete binary tree. This is not a complete binary tree. In case of complete binary tree, last level will be full. Here last level is not full, it's not a complete binary tree. So maximum number of nodes possible with height 3 is 15. So this total number of node can be less than or equals to maximum number of node if it's a complete binary tree. Next option C, H is 3, I is 5 and 2 power H, 2 power 3 minus 1. 2 power 3 is 8, 8 minus 1, it's 7. So 3 is less than 5, 5 is less than 7, this is true. Next check option D, H is 3, less than equals to L, L is 6, till now this satisfy. Then 2 power H minus 1, H is 3, 2 power 3 minus 1, it's 2 power 2 which equals to 4. Is 6 less than 4? No. Hence option D is wrong. You can take any random example, you will find option A, option B and option C are true while option D is wrong. That's why answer will be option A, option B and option C are true. This is an easy question. It's just asking basic fact about the binary tree. If you know binary tree, you can easily solve this question. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.